Mama, down.
Hi, Jimmy.
Hi, Mama.
It's like they're giving kisses.
It is.
Can this one breathe with that one? He's tapping his teeth.
I think that's how they attract them. I think.
No, it's a bird.
No, that means that they're comfortable. See that? Help me, Tyler.
I was about to. Did you have that?
He's like this. Okay, honey. Hey, you're sick. Don't touch her.
Shut up.
Don't touch her. You're sick.
You're sick too. Oh.
Let her.
Hi, honey.